Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis over on Amazon, ticker AMZN. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support and resistances going further. So if we push up to the upside, we do have key resistances at 107.50 and 110.75. So you can see this was somewhat hit before. I mean, the deviation has slightly moved down because, again, overall in the past year, they have been, or Amazon has been downtrending. We can see also we came into this level as expected. We get our pullback, and it looks like we haven't even got that retest. So a new break is quite unlikely until we at least come back down to around $91. So that's really what I'm looking at in the short term on Amazon. Really, a target of 91, and then if we push back to the upside, 107 and 110 as targets. If we want further off targets, we'll go over the resistances first. We're looking at 124, the 133.50. We're then looking at 141, and then we got a final target around 157. Now, obviously, we're at $100. Those levels are very far off, but they're just to keep mindful of if we do start breaking out for any reason. Those are our targets to the outside. But like we said, the main focus as of right now is really just going to be on the 91 to the 107.50, but as of right now the $91 looks a lot more likely. Now if we break lower than the 91, we have 91 to $88. Now this is what we call statistical mean, because again it's statistical mean on the 6 hour and also on the 6 month, and statistical mean on the 1 year. Statistical mean basically just means fair value. So obviously if we're trading, we want some sort of an edge, and if we're trading strictly off a technical basis, there is really no edge within that area. So I personally never trade within that range. So between $91 and $88, there's no trades for me on Amazon. And if I was holding a position, that would be my out. So if I was shorting into this level, that would be my final target. If I was longing into that level, that would be my final target as well. If we end up breaking through that level though, then we do have statistical, or first standard deviation at $75, and if we go low, we got 65. Again, very far from where we are off now, and that's why I think Amazon will be a bit more of a tricky stock to trade in the short term, because there isn't really as much opportunity on it. It's the deviations are wide, we're not really near anything, so right now it just seems to be safer to kind of be trading other stocks depending on how you find stocks. Again, if I'm trading strictly off technicals, Amazon is personally not a stock I'm going to be looking to be trading, at least for the time being. Again, if we're coming into any of these levels, then there's trading opportunities to arrive, but it's more just being patient. I'll be having alerts out either side and waiting for them to come into those levels. Anyway, that is the breakdown on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.